Yeah, there's a bell there. Now look at this structure right here. And it's cold and rainy. And Tammy has found shelter in this structure. What time?
Time. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, Ann.
We love y'all, and we
are in the beautiful Thomaston, Georgia. And Tim was just telling you, showing you the bell. This bell was cast in 1854. And it called the citizens to church and to fires.
Cool. We love our murals.
We do. The first building there, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, but not a whole lot. The first building there was a drugstore. And then I see Stevens Automobile Company, and I see Thomaston something company, best home, furniture of all kinds. Look at those vehicles. Y'all look at them vehicles.
Yeah, they're pretty.
Those vehicles are just gorgeous. Look, I'm gonna show you the water tower on here. Got a water tower right there. Oh, that's so cool. And now, there's the courthouse over there.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna hand the camera back to Tim because we fix to walk out in the rain and the cold. And it's cold, y'all. It's cold.
This is the town square of Thomaston.
Got me out here in the cold, and there's loud trucks coming.
Square town of Thomaston, or
Square town.
this one.
It's already.
There's always big trucks in these little towns. And English Cafe.
Oh, they got coffee.
It's not a cafe anymore now, I don't think. It used to be. This is so cute. There's a boutique. They got chairs out here. And look at that Christmas decoration, y'all. They are really.
They got it all strung up.
They do. And
It's a pizzeria.
this is a pizzeria. And they got their Christmas decorations out. And there's the courthouse from here. And they have Christmas decorations. Oh, it's cold out here. There's no doubt about it.
Like wintertime came.
More Christmas. This is the Coach Jim Caven Memorial Parkway. Y'all look at these old lights between the windows here. Look here, 1900.
Yep, that's what it says.
Might be the address, I don't know.
And this is a Mexican restaurant.
Yes, it is.
Russo's. The building might be 1900, but that was established in 2020.
We are out a little later than usual, but look at this, y'all. Jen's Beauty Mart.
Established. Thomaston, Georgia was established in 1825.
There we go, yeah. It's also a mill town.
Weren't they all?
Yeah. And this might have been a theater, but no, maybe, I don't know.
Huh?
Well, I mean, just the way it's set up, but
I don't know. I think the Ritz over there. Well, they could have had more than one. We've been to some towns with squares that had more than one theater.
there's another 1900.
I'm guessing these buildings were probably all here in 1900. You know?
Probably.
This whole block was probably 1900.
West Central Georgia Bank. And we got the go-ahead over here if you want to go. Founded in 1910. And where's this arcade? Oh yeah. Once again, look at that old building right there. Wow. Go ahead, stay there. Look at that.
Mats? I don't have a mat.
This is an arcade Fortnite tabletop. And look what I found. The Grinch with glasses.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Please don't try to do the dog. That's too low to the ground.
It's up there. It's open. I know.
Yeah, it is.
It says Merry Christmas. This is Battle City Games. Y'all come check them out.
So we're going to go the other way, I think.
Pool hall down here too.
And it's a cafe.
Do they have coffee? That's all I care about.
Pool room cafe.
Yeah.
Cash or check only.
Look at that. I was in a pool table, Joe.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Look, there's Fun 101.1.
Yeah, Fun 101.1. Oh, oh wow.
HP
Barbershop.
Barbershop. Stephen's Dandruff Remove Hair Lotion, sold only in your barbershop.
That's cool.
Oh my goodness, ain't it though?
All right, so that's 101. That's, I guess, a radio station there.
Woo!
Yep, I know. So let's move this way.
Y'all ain't but one reason we're the only ones walking on the streets today. That's not true. Nobody's walking on the streets today. It's too cold out here.
It kind of is, but you know. Look at that fire escape, y'all. Whatever that is.
It is. It's a fire escape, honey.
Fire escape. I hope that comes through. Can't tell. And here's this view of the square. Yeah, it's maybe one of these where we just kind of
We're gonna run through Thomaston.
run through it real quick and come back maybe another day.
Like in June.
And this is a little store here, home decor.
It's Rescue Me.
Rescue Me. Yeah, y'all look at that old light up there. Look at the grates. Pretty building. And this Christmas decorations all over the place. If I don't talk right, it's because it's so cold you can't, my lips are frozen. Rescue Me, been here for 10 wonderful years. Let me get over here, let's see. Reams Jewelry. Is it still open? There's another sign, Reams Jewelry Store. Y'all look at the tile.
Yeah, I was looking. That's what brought me over here was this tile. But yeah, you can look over in there. You see the display cases. They got mirrors all along that wall over there.
Yeah, this is the old tile right here. How we love this.
And this has got
This
black.
is blacked out. They don't want us to see. And this is this view of the courthouse.
Yeah, because it's, different.
Okay, well that's well, I'm talking about open.
They're working in this
working in
wall.
there.
Look at the walls.
Yeah. Christmas. It's Christmas, y'all. It's a studio. J.L. Briggs and Company. Oh, the little puppy dog.
Look, it's
Good
really
idea.
cute. That puppy dog is the same color as the wisteria painted on it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is Hometown. This is a beautiful building as well. Oh yeah.
What y'all do now?
Can you? You can. Woo! That is the mill
It's hard to see.
Y'all, it is the mill building.
Yeah.
So I'd say those were probably the offices to the mill way back when. The top part is still original, but the bottom part, you can look at it and see, has been completely, it's a new facade on the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Keep shining up somewhere in Upton County.
This is the other side of this right here. Right down there, that's more the modern part probably.
Yeah, there's a big key.
Day Realty Company. Look at that, those lines, y'all.
Oh wow.
Look at those
Oh,
lines.
look at the Christmas village.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
What is this place?
Realty Company.
Showcase of homes. Oh, that is so cool. Look,
It is.
This drive-in. And the old car park.
Yeah, that's the
Krispy Kreme donuts.
yeah, that's cool.
Oh, I love this. I love the whole thing.
Yeah.
I wish I had this much room to sit out. Look at this. That's Gus's drive-in. Look, that's the theater, y'all. They're showing White Christmas at the theater. There's the Krispy Kreme. Oh, good. This is cool because y'all, we are standing in front of a real estate company. So look, this one. Let's zoom in. Look at there. House for sale. This is just so cool. There's people everywhere, and there's a man standing there in the middle of the creek in his waders fishing. He ain't doing it today, y'all, I promise you. Oh, look at the tree house.
Classic car alert too.
Yeah, I got the classic car. I think I got the classic car. Y'all see the classic car? Sitting in front of Goose's drive-in. It's wrong. It says it's 5 minutes after 8.
Little clock there, y'all. Y'all gonna have to forgive us. There's gonna be some raindrops. But we really want to get this theater over here. The Bear, Callista Clark, December 17th, sold out.
It's already passed and gone.
Yeah. Here's the theater. Look here. Look between the buildings right here, y'all. Look at that.
Ooh. I love these carousel
Little
horses.
carousel horse there. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at the neon. Look at the neon. Oh, wow. Yeah. This is cool. Excalibur. Star Trek. The motion picture.
I see Santa Claus in there, y'all.
Yep, they got a Christmas tree up.
See if you can look to the left and see the
I'll go.
popcorn and the toast. Wow.
Yeah, it's got a glare. I'm afraid it's too bad of a glare. There you go, that helps. This is awesome right here.
This is awesome. This is beyond awesome.
Ticket booth. And we'll try to get the
Wow.
other side if we can. If we pause. This is cool. What is it?
Place open, Ritz Cafe. It has espresso. This is from Ritz Theatre. This is Ritz Cafe.
They don't think it's open right
I
now.
don't think it's open either, but my God. All this
Established in 1927.
Coming to another mural over here.
Plastic car
Okay, when I showed that mural at first, we talked about Stevens Automobile Company showcasing the Fords inside this building. Oh my goodness. See a Texaco sign back there, y'all. I have to step up and put y'all right up next to it. Let you see best you can. Wow. Okay, there's a person in that car right there and she kind of scared me. What?
Coca-Cola sign.
Coca-Cola. Drink Coca-Cola in downtown Thomaston. And then I like that English cafe right there. I see Elvis Presley over here though, I'm pretty sure. Look at all these little cars down here. I see a phone booth in there. I see Marilyn Monroe's skirt flying up and Elvis Presley. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
There's more over here.
Yeah, my car's right there.
Yeah, we're
Fixing to get in my nice warm car and warm my very cold self up.
We need to find out when this place is open.
Okay. All right, y'all. This has been our adventure in Thomaston, Georgia, on the square, with loud trucks, beautiful movie theaters, and absolutely gorgeous classic cars.
But cold, rainy.
Extremely cold, extremely rainy.
Forgive us for the wet lenses.
And we did it kind of fast. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And
we love y'all. It's my wet glasses all over the place.
Yeah, we're getting in the car now, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna get warm.